Shadim Shuri. Real quick today, let's take a look at Wendy. Earning came out yesterday. It is Friday, Feb 14. I got what I was looking for. I was looking for, of course, a big whoosh down at the open and then a big reversal. Exactly what I was looking for. Something that I have been talking about with other stock that I've been watching. I have a position in Wendy. Not big. It's a cheap stock, so even at 100 shares at I think I have like 150 shares, so not huge. But I wouldn't mind adding. This could be the bottom, assuming that the same patterns and behaviors play out. For a quick recap, I had talked about the big green candle like that as far as bad earning, big whoosh, reversal. We see similar action in Mondelez. See, big whoosh on earning, reversal, boom, what a run, right? I like it. I'm holding. Same thing. Hershey, look, big green candle on the down 52-week low, and then yeah. So there is more. I talk about Hormel, KXC. It's a lot. Okay, KXC, same thing. Big whoosh down. Next day, still going strong. That does not mean, okay, keep in mind, if you go back and take a look at those charts I talk about, it's not going to be up every day. There will be pauses, but for KXC, I do have a position. If there's a slight pullback into, say, 20, below 29, into like, say, let's say 28.8-ish, I would add, all right? So for now, Wendy looking good. Let's see how it behaves the next couple of days. If there's a slight pullback into 14-ish, I wouldn't mind adding, even doubling down. At least on all the examples I showed so far, you see the pattern play out over and over and over again, all right? There's always a chance that it doesn't work 100% of the time. Always a chance. That's why I did not run in and bought Wendy yesterday at the open when it was below 14. But I'm okay of missing that out, especially if the rest will be fine later. All right, now let's take a look at some oil drilling stock. I like Halliburton down here. I think I don't have any position. It has been a while since I owned Halliburton, but down here, I do like it down here. And let's take a look at the options. There is weekly options next week. Not a surprise that it's not a huge premium, but at 26, roughly 15 to 16 cents, which is not very good, especially when the stock is 26-ish, right? You would expect that kind of premium, 25 and below, but nah. So there's not much juice there in the option unless you go out 2 or 3 weeks out. But I'll put it in order at 25.5, and then of course 25.15. So I have a couple order already, but any dip below 25.5, and I will start adding between 25.5. I think I have order all the way down to 24.5. Yeah, for now. Yeah, I like it down here. The risk reward, yeah, I like it. Slumber J, which I do have, and it's looking good. Small position, nothing huge yet, but it's, if it can break out of this downtrend, okay, I'm gonna add. This was, it's an important trend, no doubt about that. So let's make it white. Let's make it white and clear. So we see it. See, yeah. It tried to break out and fail, and now it's there again. I like. Okay. The 3-year chart, pretty ugly downtrend the past year and a half, right? It peaked back in September, 9/11. Look at that, 9/11. It peaked, and ever since then, it's been nothing but pain on the way down. Okay, it's just a coiling on the way down here. So I like what I'm seeing here for sure. If it can pop, no doubt, that yellow line right there is the first spot that. But for me, I'm watching the ref high, right? This right here. I'm not even sure. Is a 200 MA a thing to watch? Look, the 200 was a rejection right here. The 200 is a rejection right here. So twice now there was a clear rejection. I mean, you can go back to April where it broke above the 200 for 3 weeks, okay? And then, yeah, so the 200 is key. So for now, the 200 is coming down into this support / resistance zone. So yeah, I'm watching that closely. If it can break over the 200, I think it could be clear sailing into that white line up there, that next level of resistance. I worry more about the 200 MA compared to the ref high right here, because I think the ref high is just a byproduct of the 200 MA and the bot's selling. Okay, so for now, I like Slumber J. I don't need to add. I would rather add to Halliburton and Wendy's. Later.